Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to do a Christmas look for you guys, like my first Christmas look. And I know I have done so many different Christmas makeup tutorials over the years. I've been on YouTube for I think 8 years now. So I will put some other videos I've done down below, like Christmas looks, like a playlist down in the description box. And I'll also have that holiday playlist on my main channel page. So make sure and go and check that out. But today I wanted to do a more natural holiday glam. I just did my makeup how I would want to do it for the holidays this year. And I might try to do a more like done up look if I can before Christmas. We'll just see how everything pans out this year. But if you guys would like to see how to do this look and get ready with me today, then just keep on watching. First, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my skincare stuff, and I'm just using my First Day Beauty Ultra Repair Cream and my Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence and SPF 50+. So I just first start out with my lotion, and then I will go in with the sunscreen. Then for my primer today, I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild Dewy Primer. I really want my skin to look extra glowy today. So this just creates like a lit from within glow underneath your foundation. And this is a good dupe to the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative to that product, this is a really great dupe. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face, even up on my forehead. And then for my lips today, I'm just gonna moisturize them with this Sugar Fresh, or the Fresh Sugar Hydrating Lip Balm in Lemon. I am going to be wearing a red lipstick today, so that's why I want to moisturize my lips so they're extra hydrated. I mean, I usually moisturize my lips before I go in with my lip product just to make sure that I don't have any flaky, dry areas on my lips. And if your lips are a little dry or flaky, you could use a lip scrub and then go in with this product, and it's really going to hydrate your lips. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation, and I'm gonna be using a mix of these two foundations today, the Estee Lauder Double Wear and this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. And the reason why I'm mixing these two foundations today is because I want to kind of thin out the Estee Lauder Double Wear, because sometimes it can be a little too heavy. I want a very good full coverage foundation today, but I don't want it to look too much. So that's why I'm mixing those two together. Plus the L'Oreal one kind of lightens the Estee Lauder one a little bit, and I'll have the colors that I'm using down in the description box if you're curious. And then I'm just using my Dampen Wet n Wild makeup sponge to blend in the foundation. And like I said, I really like this combo, like this foundation combo, because I find that it does kind of thin out the Estee Lauder Double Wear, but at the same time, this combo lasts all day long. And I don't know, I think it looks really pretty, these two foundations mixed together. And then I'm just using the flat pointed side to blend foundation around my nose. For my concealer, I'm just using my Revlon Candid Concealer, and this has just been a favorite concealer of mine for, I don't know, probably the last 6 months, if not longer. I just really like it because it's a good medium coverage concealer. It doesn't look heavy or cakey on the under eye area, and it is a little bit hydrating. So, if you have dry under eyes, it's not gonna accentuate any like dry areas. So that's why I've really been enjoying this. I really like a more thinner consistency concealer, like for my under eye area. So I think that's why I've really been enjoying this. And I feel like this shade matches me really well. This is in shade Vanilla. Take some of this concealer down the center of my nose because I want to lighten this area and also give it a little bit more coverage. to set my foundation and my under eye concealer, first I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable to set my face, and then to set my under eyes, I'm just going to be using the Becca Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder. And you just need the littlest amount of this Becca Under Eye Setting Powder. You don't need too much. And then I'm going to take whatever's left to kind of set that concealer on my eyelid. And then for my brows, I'm just going to actually fill them in today with my Ka-Brow. This is just the Benefit Ka-Brow in shade 4. And I'm just using the little brush that comes with this product. And I'm kind of just lightly going over the edges just to define the shape of my brows a little better. And then I'm just going to be using some of my Benefit Gimme Brow to set my brow hairs in place. I'm just moving on to my eyes, and I'm going to be doing a very natural look, and I'm going to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion to prime my eyelids. So just a little bit of that. And then I'm just going to blend that all over my eyelids. I'm going to go in with the shade Brulee from MAC. It's just a single shadow. And I'm going to just put that shade all over my eyelid, and I'm just using a shading brush. And I might actually grab just a little bit of Mylar, which is also a single shadow by MAC. Just kind of mixing, this is Mylar and then this is Brulee. I'm just going to be mixing those two shades together. Then for my crease, I'm just going to use Soft Brown, which is another MAC eyeshadow. I'm also going to put some here in my outer V area. I'm going to use the Milani Brow Fix Brow Kit and then just this highlight shade in the palette. And I'm just brushing that on with my e.l.f. defining eye brush. Then I'm going to take just a little bit more of that shade and pop it here in the inner corner. The inner corners of my eye. Open my eyes up a little bit and then also just add a pop of something. I think it looks really pretty there in the inner corner. So for my bronzer contour, I'm going to use my NYX blush in the color Taupe. And I'm just applying that with my Morphe M437 brush. I like this brush because it is a little bit more precise than some of the other brushes I use to do like bronzer. And since this is more of like a contour color, I don't want it to get too like blown out on my face. So this is just gonna help it be a little bit more focused. And I think that this look is just such a pretty like Christmas look, especially when you want something that's like glam, but more of a natural glam. Just looked like it needed to be blended out just a little bit more right in there. And then I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild PAC-MAN powder brush, and I'm just taking a little bit more of that NYX blush and just blending it around my hairline just to add a little bit more of a shadow and to also just bring everything together. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of this along my jawline and neck. And then I'm just kind of blending that out a little bit more. All right, and then I debated what color I wanted to use for my highlight today, but I think I'm going to kind of go in with a mix. I think of these two colors out of my Makeup Revolution incandescent highlighting quad or palette, and so I'm just gonna get a mix of those two. Those are my cheekbones. I really like this highlighting palette. I think it's so pretty. Like, it gives you a really intense highlight, but it doesn't look like, it doesn't accentuate pores and stuff like that. Like, it doesn't accentuate texture on the face. I don't know, I just think it's such a pretty highlighting palette. It's one of my favorites. And then I'm gonna put a little bit here and just a little bit on the tip of my nose. And then I'm actually gonna do my lips before I set my face and everything, because I'm debating on if I wanna use a blush or not, and I won't really know how much blush to add until after I do my lips. So the star of this show today is definitely this red lipstick. This is from Believe Beauty, and this is one of their matte liquid lips. And you can get Believe Beauty at Dollar General. But first I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this lip liner from Rimmel, and this is in the color Obsession. Okay, and I totally forgot to tell you guys the color of this, but this is in Grenadine. Such a pretty red. This is just one of my favorite red colors because it's not too orange, it's not too blue toned, it's just like a good, just right there in the middle red. And I think I'm not gonna do blush today. I don't know, I think I'm liking the way that looks just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and mist my face, and I'm gonna use my Anastasia Dewy Set because I want my face to look a little bit dewy today. So whoops. Now you could totally wear false lashes with this if you wanted to, but I wanted to show you guys a more natural Christmas makeup look. So that's why I'm skipping false lashes today, And all I'm gonna do is just curl my lashes with my eyelash curler. And then I'm just gonna apply my favorite mascara, which is my Maybelline Lash Sensational. So I'm just gonna apply several coats of that. Now also I went ahead and changed my clothes. I totally forgot to mention that, but I just went ahead and got my clothes on for today. So that is this holiday makeup look, Christmas makeup look completed. I hope that you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you do enjoy my makeup tutorials or get ready with me's, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to keep filming these for you guys. Let me know down in the comments what videos you would like to see from me. I hope that you guys are having a great Christmas and holiday season, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. Mwah.